Hi everyone, good to see you back. And today I'm presenting to you a tutorial on Huda Amethyst Obsessions palette. Now, this is a very popular and a very high in demand palette, and I have just recently purchased it from Nika. So, we begin by using Milani eyeshadow primer and pat some on our eyelids, and then make sure that it's evenly spread on the lid area. This is a very sheer primer. It doesn't really change the color of your lid, but it ensures great pigmentation of the eyeshadow that you apply over it. So you apply it and then you leave it for some time. And here is the Amethyst Obsessions palette, which I have currently purchased from Nika. The entire row was totally destroyed. That's why the thumbs down. But you can see the colors, they are just gorgeous. And I take the palest pink color and apply it in my transition area with the fluffy blending brush. And you will immediately see how pigmented this matte shade is, and the color payoff is just amazing. And I have to say that the Milani eye primer is just as good. And using the other end of that Milani eye primer tube, I, utilize it as a stencil to shape my eye. And I learned this trick from Kaushal of Kaushal Beauty. And I think it works very well. You don't need to stick tapes around your eyes to, get that clean impact. And then I go in with a deeper pink shade. This is a blue tone pink, and use it to darken and deepen my crease. And for this, I'm using a smaller blending brush. And this shade, as well as you can tell, is quite well pigmented. So, everyone, while doing their eye makeup, must take their time to blend colors properly in transition and crease zone, because then only the color that you apply on your main lid will pop up. And now we are going in with the deepest color. This is a mauve purplish burgundy color. And for this, I use a pencil brush and I pat it in very small amount at the outer corner of my eye. And then I blend it with my crease. And this color, as you can see, has got a very brinjal kind of a look. And all said and done, all the colors which are there in this palette are actually quite blendable and buildable, and they're very easy to work with. And blending being the key, make sure you go in with that smaller brush which you had used for your crease, to blend the colors properly together and to create a symphony between the colors. It is so important to blend the colors properly, and you should take your time doing that. And now I'm just taking that purplish shade more. It was looking mauvish on the pan, but it's actually quite brinjal like. And I'm just dragging it towards the main lid area and also blending it towards the crease. So the backdrop is done, and now what we're going to do is apply a very nice shimmer shade, which is purplish in color, and this is a metallic shade, very richly pigmented, and we are going to apply it on the middle part of the lid. And you can see instantly how beautiful and how gorgeous the shade is, and it instantly lifts up the appeal of this eye look and takes it to another level. And it is so very blendable, and it is so very buildable, and doesn't mess up the texture of other eyeshadow, and performs best when applied with a finger, because that's when the most impact shows on your lid. So that done, now I'm going to focus on the initial part of the eyelid, and I'm going in with this pinkish, champagne-ish, purplish color, and I'm going to use it for highlighting my brow bone first. And highlighting the brow bone is everything. You can see how beautiful this shade is. In person, it looks even more beautiful. If you see it up close, it's even more beautiful, more pigmented and gorgeous. And I shall be using this also in the inner corner, and for this I'm actually using my eyeliner brush, because that gives precise application of shadows which are like this, of this texture, because they can go everywhere actually. And also using this same shade on the initial part of my lid, and for this I'm actually using a shader brush. And now I'm just going to apply the matte shades that I used in my transition and crease on my lower lash line. And now I shall be taking this gorgeous metallic purple shade and run it along my lower lash line with the same pencil brush, and also blend it along with the color which is below that. And now to further amplify the look, I'm actually going to use this Nika pencil. This is an eye pencil and it's in the shade purple in my waterline. And this will bring the entire eye look together, because the eye always needs different colors and different shades and different intensities of shades for the contoured effect to come. And see, instantly, this is the point I was trying to make. This provides an outline to the eye, and the eye looks much more beautiful. And going with the same concept of outlining the eyes, I'm also running it along my upper lash line. And this Nika eye pencil is extremely easy to use. The product is very soft, it glides very easily, and color pigmentation is absolutely stunning. And now I'm happy with that, and shall be using my mascara, Smashbox mascara, my favorite mascara, on my upper lashes and my lower lashes. And now all that is done after application of this mascara is false eyelashes, and this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. Like, comment, and subscribe.